Who knows what these are? Juggling balls. Let me see if I can do this. Ready? No, sorry. I am so sorry. Not so much. Okay, ta-da. I have never acquired that skill. However, I have learned to juggle life. And I bet all of you have too. At one point in my life went something like this. Get up in the morning. Go get coffee. Yeah. Get ready for work. Get my son up. Get him breakfast. Give me breakfast, maybe. Off to school. Having packed or not packed lunch and went, oh my gosh, I gotta go to school to go get his lunch. Get back from work. Homework. Activity. Shower. Bed. That would have been my rhythm of my day. Juggling. Every now and then, I'd have to kick in a ball from something else. He falls off the porch, so we're on the way to the hospital for stitches. Kick that one in. The cat just threw up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, great. Kick that one in. Your report is due when? Tomorrow, and it's 9 p.m.? Seriously. Those are those moments when you get that phone call. You know the one. Someone just passed away. Or there's been a car accident. Or maybe even you lost your pet. Those dodgeballs of life, those curveballs of life can completely take us off kilter. And we're already in overwhelm, and we're already in frustration, we're already in anxiety, and then all of that comes at us as well. And all the balls drop. Well, here's what's awesome about each and every one of you. You've all developed some kind of coping mechanism to get through life. So here's the 3 things to change your coping mechanism. If you have a destructive one, you might have one that's perfectly happy and safe for you. So keep it. Here's what you need to do. Rewire your brain. I have found that self-hypnosis, meditation, and prayer are the 3 top methods of rewiring your brain. A neuroscientist told me it takes 10,000. They've been doing studies on it. It takes 10,000 repetitions and 10,000 thought pattern changes. And here's the bad thing. If you're at 5,000 and you mess up, guess what? So yeah, it's much easier with self-hypnosis, meditation, and prayer. You can rewire your brain so that you can change things and be calmer throughout your day.